Hi! Let's make a mantra bracelet.
Like this one.
So I'll hold that in my hand.
All right. So first we're going to start with a little blank washer thingy. And I already stamped one letter on here, so let's do believe. You can just do B. B-E.
Oh, that's always a good
That is.
You know, it'd be fun if you came up with a line of just be, and then there's already stamped a bead on there, and you actually can put like be smart, be kind,
be happy.
Yeah, that'd be cool. And we could just call it our just be bracelets, and our logo could be a little bee.
Okay, we could do that.
What if we don't have the word bee and there's just a stamp of a bee?
Ah, that'd be funny.
That'd be cute. So see how fast Michelle is?
There you go.
It's crazy.
Done.
Can you believe that she just did that so fast? Okay, take us over and please show us how to add on the leather now.
Okay.
We'll do this part.
So for each side, I'm going to use about a foot of leather.
What kind of leather?
This is 1.6 millimeter buffalo.
So we are used to cow leather, deer. Can you tell me how you like the feel of the buffalo?
I like it because I think it's actually stronger than the cow leather, and because this bracelet's going to get a lot of pulling, I don't want the leather to snap. So we're trying the buffalo leather. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie a hangman style knot. So I'm going to pull about 5 inches of string and have the tail hanging off like this. And I'm just going to coil the short tail around the long tail, starting farther away from the washer and working closer to the washer like this. Okay, so we're making a bunch of coils.
You're keeping the coils loose too, right?
Yeah, because I want to shove this little tail into the coil tunnel after. So I have about 3 coils here. I'm going to push the tail through like this. And if it's really short, you can use like pliers for leverage like this. And then you're just going to kind of pull all the slack out of the coil. You can push and pull. And I'm only pulling the short tail, not doing anything with the long tail right now because it's just got this knot knotted around it. That's it. Okay? Like that. And you want to make it nice and tight. Like that. There we go. Okay, and then you can just cut off this little tail here on the short side. I'm going to leave a little bit extra. If you want to cut it flush, I would put some glue or something so it doesn't unravel, but I don't think that'll unravel. And again, we're going to do it with the other side. So pull out about 5 inches of leather, and then we're going to start our coil farther away from the washer and coil it towards the washer. I'm going to go 3 times. This and push the tail into my tunnel. Sorry, this one's short. There we go.
I noticed
Like
you
this.
stopped wrapping also in the same position so that your knot ends on the same side.
I'm trying. Okay, and then so I have my coils here, and I'm just going to tighten that and sort of adjust everything. And again, we're only pulling the short tail, not doing anything with the long tail. Like this. And then once you kind of pull all the slack out, like that, then I won't cut it again. Like this. Okay, so now we have our leather stuck to the center. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut really sharp angles at the end of the leather. You see how sharp it is? Like, and this is our really good scissors that we have in the store that you might have seen the video for before. Here we go. And then you're going to push both ends through our 4 millimeter silicone slide. Like this.
Again, what size buffalo did you use?
1.6 millimeter round. Okay. And then like we did here, you can get some big hole beads, you know, and pull the silicone slide so it's like the biggest size you want. And then we're just gonna slide on the large hole bead, and then you can tie an overhand knot right below. If you want to get fancy, you can do like a surgeon knot like this. And then when you...
So if it's a really big hole bead, then we should use a surgeon's knot.
I like actually the look of the surgeon knot better because it looks kind of like this knot at the front, but you gotta kind of mess around with it to make sure that it tucks back over itself like this.
And if you can demonstrate the surgeon's knot one more time.
Okay. But you gotta have lots of extra leather.
It's about 5 inches, 6 inches.
I don't know, like a lot. Otherwise, you're gonna be messing around with really short tails. So instead of just one time, you go around 2 times like this. And then you're gonna push the coil that's farther away from the bead over the coil next to it so it kind of goes back towards itself. That one I didn't have enough string, so I only made single overhand, but I like the double like this. Got it. Okay. And you just cut. And we're done. See ya.